Yeah.
God, this is hard.
It's toughened glass.
Wow.
You've got to hit it on edge. It'll only break when you hit it on edge.
This edge?
But you got.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh fuck.
Just check what he's done. Like why battery went flat. It's still it's in park. Is anything turned on? Lights off.
This is auto.
No, always. Nice.
Hey!
Start it. Nice. That's what we wanted. Just let it run for a bit.
Hi guys. I'm so excited. We're going to break the car glass, all right? I'm bloody excited. So I'm going to put my gloves on. There it is. And my safety glass. Little bit covering my face. Outside is wet, but time is ticking.
Where's your shoes?
How long do you think that's gonna take for?
I don't know. I've never done it. We'll just have to see. You want me to take as close to the edge as you can, and we'll just see if it breaks.
Right, we're gonna start it. We're gonna break the glass.
Left hand rear, big one.
Left hand rear. Okay. Right.
So come here. I'll just put battery back in. So I reckon it's it in that corner there.
Like this?
In the corner. Alright, try it there.
Actually difficult. How can people can steal?
It's tough on glass. Oh my god.
How can people can steal things?
I wanted Brian to do it.
Should I call him?
No, I'll do it. Try it bottom corner.
A lot of dog shit.
Yeah, fucking scumbags.
Huh?
Want me to do it? You have to hit it hard.
Huh?
Yeah.
God.
Yeah.
God. This is hard.
It's toughened glass.
Wow.
You've got to hit it on edge. It'll only break when you hit it on edge.
This edge?
But you got.
Oh my God, what are you gonna do now?
Well, I want to pull it out, not push it in.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I reckon this car's absolutely fucked. I'm gonna have to climb in.
Do you want me to climb in? Can I climb in?
Yeah, I'll give you the key.
Oh fuck.
Just check what he's done. Like white battery went flat. It's still in. It's in park. Is anything turned on? Lights off.
This is auto.
No, always. Nice.
Hey!
Start it. Nice. That's what we wanted. Just let it run for a bit.
So we just break this glass.
Alright.
Somebody broke in.
No, we did it. It's been battery went flat and we haven't been able to get in for a long time.
Okay.
So we had to break in to get the battery out, recharge it, and now we've ended up having to smash window anyway.
Wow.
Yeah.
Enjoy your walking.
Alright,
Okay. So what we're gonna do now?
I'm gonna sweep that glass up
Yeah.
first.
So we just break this glass up. We just break this glass up, guys. So we're going to clean this cotton rubbish, guys. We're going to clean this rubbish.
I don't know what to do about that. Let's do it. You put them out back as well.
Bye bye. Now we test drive the car. After 1 year, it's been out on the sun and on the rain. Now dites nih mobilnya ini teman-teman. Setelah 1 tahun parkir tidak dipakai dan lain semuanya. Sudah membantu saya itu. My second car. This is my second car here in Australia. I ride off my first car.
That was your second car, yeah.
Yeah.
And now you've got a new one,
Yeah.
third one.
Hey, good morning. I was just asleep.